The new Affordable Care Act rules are taking effect, and now substitute teachers in our state are feeling the impact. In order to avoid paying for health care of substitute teachers, school districts are limiting the number of hours they can work.
Lindsay Fry spoke with one school district and substitutes being affected. She's live outside J.H. Rose High School in Greenville with the story. Lindsay?
Hey, Dave and Gina. Well, last week, Pitt County schools tell me they notified their substitute teachers, telling them from now on they could only work 12 days a month or 90 hours a month. They tell me that this is a decision that they didn't want to make, but according to the new Affordable Care Act, employers are required to give their employees health benefits if they're full-time, or they could suffer a penalty.
David Perry is one of 600 substitute teachers at Pitt County schools. He tells me last week he received an email from the district telling him because of the new Affordable Care Act, he could only work 30 hours a week.
I felt like they were telling me I couldn't work when I wanted to work. Like, who has a right to tell me I can't work if a job is available? And I was shocked.
According to the new Affordable Care Act rules, if an employee works more than 30 hours a week, they must receive health benefits from their employer. Brock Letchworth says to supply every substitute with health care would cost the district between $600,000 and $7 million.
We've got a good number of subs who have come to rely on substituting as their primary source of income, and unfortunately, when you cut hours, you know you're affecting their livelihood, and it's not something we want to do, but it's something that we're forced to do because of these mandates that have been put on us.
Perry says he's concerned because, like others, substitute teaching is his main source of income.
This country is supposed to be about putting people to work, and they're taking people, literally taking people out of work.
Letchworth says there are cases when a substitute is needed for a long period of time.
We're still going to allow folks to do the long-term subbing, but they're going to have to stagger how they do it. They're going to have to balance it with 1 month of long-term subbing here, 1 month sitting out.
Now, the Pitt County School District is not the first or the only school district to make this decision. Other school districts across Eastern Carolina have already been monitoring their substitutes' hours. Live in Greenville, Lindsay Fry, WITN News.
Lindsay, thank you. Letchworth says part-time employees will also be affected.